All around the United States, invasive species are one of the most problematic ecological issues that we currently face. Americans spend millions of dollars every year in an effort to try to control these plants. Today we'll be talking about two of those biggest or largest problematic plants that we have in our area. Water hyacinth is the aquatic invasive plant, and Chinese tallow tree. Chinese tallows occupy grasslands and forested areas. Water hyacinth is a floating aquatic plant that's often found in local bayous and streams. Many invasive plants possess a long list of adaptive strategies that enable them to outcompete their neighbors, the native plants. And with the Chinese tallow tree, those strategies include fast growth potential, being able to live in any type of soil, producing a huge amount of offspring. An adult Chinese tallow tree may grow as many as 10,000 seeds every year, and those seeds can live as long as a decade in the soil before they ever germinate. Experts estimate that less than 1% of coastal prairie habitat still survives, and in large part, it's due to the fact that this Chinese tallow tree is such a successful colonizer of those areas. The water hyacinth has a very similar list in that it is one of the most rapid growing plants on Earth. Additionally, water hyacinth is a floating plant. This means that it has the opportunity to travel. Every time there's a flood event, every time the wind changes direction, the floating plants moved into a new area where they can colonize. If you look closely at this plant, you can see that there's an adult plant, and there's also a new pup plant that's connected by this stolon right here. So when this stolon breaks off, we've now created two plants. This is a reproductive process known as fragmentation, and it makes water hyacinth very effective at colonizing new areas. The Houston area has a great diversity of non-native invasive plants that occupy our waters and surrounding landscapes. Something that we can do is try to use native plants whenever we're doing landscaping around our house. That minimizes the introduction of these types of new problematic invasive species.